We have polynomial a plus 1 minus b to second power. So how we do this example? We can rewrite that this is a plus 1 minus b times a plus 1 minus b. And now we have only multiplication of polynomials. How we do this? We have to multiply every expression in the first parenthesis by every expression in the second parenthesis. So this is equal. First we have a, and a we have to multiply by the whole expression in the second parenthesis. So a plus 1 minus b. Next we have positive 1. So 1 we have to multiply by the whole expression in the second parenthesis. And the last is negative b. We have to multiply times a plus 1 minus b. So now we have to use distributive law of multiplication. It means we have to multiply every term in parentheses by a first. So we have a times a is a square. A times 1. Positive, when we don't have sign, is always positive. So positive times positive give me positive. A times 1 is a. And next, positive times negative give me negative. A times b is ab. Next, we have positive sign and we multiply this whole expression times 1. When we multiply by 1, it doesn't change anything. So we have to just rewrite whatever we have in parentheses. So we have positive a, positive 1, and negative b. And next we have negative sign before parentheses. And now we have to multiply every expression in the parentheses by negative b. So negative times positive give me negative. And now we have b, a. And I will change in alphabetic order. I will write BA as A, B, because we have multiplication, so I can do this. Next, we have negative times positive, so it will be negative. B times 1 is B. Negative times negative give me positive. B times B is B squared. So this is equal. Now we have to check if we have the like terms. First we have a square and we don't have any a square, so we have to copy. Next we have a and a. So when we don't have coefficient, it's like invisible 1. Again, positive and positive like terms we have. So we have to copy positive sign. And we have to just add the coefficients. 1 plus 1 is 2. And we just rewrite a. Next we have negative ab and negative ab. So we have again the like terms. How we do this? We check the sign. Both like terms are negative, so we keep negative sign. And when we don't have coefficients, always invisible 1, so we add them. These coefficients 1 plus 1 is 2, and we just rewrite ab. Next we have 1 and we don't have any number, so we copy the 1. Negative b and negative b. Again we have the like terms. How we do this? Both like terms are negative, so we keep negative sign. And when we don't have coefficients, always invisible 1, like I said. 1 plus 1 is 2. We just rewrite b. And at the end we have b squared. This is my solution.